2018 Exam 1 Core Recursion and Financial Modeling, question 24. Okay, this one smells like Financial Solver, and since we've done a Financial Solver before, it should also smell like a two-stepper is coming. And so what do we mean by a two-stepper? We've got to do 2 steps on this. So we've got to do a calculation and then use the answer for that calculation to feed into the next stage. So how does this work? Now, we've got this idea that Mariska is going to retire in 10 years, and she wants at the end to be 600,000. Now it says the present value is this, so I've put that into the bank. So I made it negative because there's money being put into the bank, and they give us an interest rate of 3.24, so I put 3.24, and they say so 2 years from now the interest rate is going to change. But so that's why I've done 2 times 12, because we know it's monthly, which is why I got the 12s here. And she's adding a payment, so she's adding a payment to the bank, so it's minus 1,000. All right. So once you got all those details in, you get this value, which is here, and that's at the end of the 2 years. So now we've got to take that value from the first step and place it up here to do our second step, because now we've got a change of interest rate, and then we've got to go, because this is 2 years, we've now got to make up the rest of the 10 years. So that means the difference between those two is 8 years. And then we can put in what we want as our final value of 600,000 is going to go in here. All right, let's do all that. There it is. So we've put in, now we've changed our 2 years to 8 years. We've changed our interest rate to 3.2. And this value came from the first calculation because we pretend that we're just starting again for the step 2. We know the final value is 600,000, positive. We want the money to come back from the bank from us. Nothing's changed about the monthly. We press payment and we get that lovely number, minus 1854. Why negative? Because the payments go to the bank. 45% of people, only 45% of people got that right and got that number. And it was a bit all over the place, to be honest, so probably a lot of guessing. It's the last question in that whole section, so maybe people will be a bit tired or they don't like the two-steppers. But that's the one you should attack. That's the one you should understand, because you're going to get a mark that someone else won't. There's bound to be a two-stepper.